Hello guys, today I am going to show you Maybach 57S B12 engine 2012. The customer complained there is have something problem while driving after 120. It's like less power, so I need to check the diagnostic and travel code. I'm going to fix it the ICOM. Okay, I fixed it already ICOM. Then I am going to diagnose the computer. And I will start the car first. I have to say there's have something problem like a in check engine light. Of course, yes, I can see there's check engine light, so I'm going to diagnostic. Okay, I'm going to Mercedes Benz and I will connect and auto select. It will be automatically selected the chassis number, so it will read automatically. Yes. Okay, left hand steering because it's UAE, United Arab Emirates, 2012 gasoline 57S Maybach. Okay, and I am going to the diagnosis control unit, and I have to go for engine check engine light, so I have to go drive, and I have to go motor electronics. If you have any issue in engine like a check engine, if you have something problem in engine, you have to go and travel code. That means there's a problem like a misfiring cylinder 3. So let's open the bonnet. And okay, it's engine compartment, it's left side. This is have fuse and relays, and this is power steering, double AVS is left and right. This is coolant, and that one it's front battery. Okay, this I'm opening the cover, and that one is driver side ignition coil. That one it's big one. This one not coming one by one, this is coming one complete like a 12 cylinder, 1 to 6 6 7 to 12. Okay, one coil coming, two coil total, left and right. Okay, this is the battery. Small, there's a fuse also. This is a small battery for starting. Okay, and I'm going to show you the main battery also, rear trunk. So I'm going to open the trunk. It's you have to just click the switch and it will automatically open. Okay, and there is left side, there's two cover, and you can see there's fuse box and relays, and this is the battery and battery cover. This is the main battery. Okay, this is 105 ampere coming, that's battery, big battery. And I remove the cover, big cover, and you can see there's relays and fuses. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you have any problem with my work, please comment on my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.